everyone. Welcome back to another hair dyeing video. The other day I ran a poll on Twitter for what hair color I should do, and that was a loud truck. But yeah, I did a poll on Twitter, and the winner for the color was blue. Only only 3 people voted, but blue was the winner. So today I'm going to use the 2 blue dyes I have left. I'm going to try to mix them, but I don't want to dirty my bowl, so I'm going to try something different. I'm going to attempt to, this is probably not going to work very well. I'm going to attempt to squirt them into each other. See if this works. I think see what it is. Yeah, you only made a little mess. So now I'm going to close it up and squish it around. Now I'll have a turquoise mixed with aqua. They were very similar colors to begin with, so. Alrighty. So now I've got enough dye to cover my whole head. Well, technically half, because I got the sides shaved anyway, so. Haha. Less hair dye. Oh, let me put some gloves on. Like weird noises in the microphone. I gotta get myself some latex gloves. Those will be so much easier. Alrighty. I'm not using any brushes or anything today. I'm just gonna do this. You know, I kind of like the blonde, but I'm missing the color already, so. Here we are. Dyeing my hair. You know, it would help if I had my mirror out. I should probably go grab that. There we go. Now I can actually see what I'm doing. These gloves are too big. I can't work with them. I'm going to take them off. I do this every time. I start with them on and then take them off. This will be so much easier. I got blue nails anyway, so not like it'll make much of a difference. Oh, haha. It looks like a toothpaste squiggle. I didn't mix them right. Oh well. Maybe it'll create a cool effect on my hair. Or it won't show up at all. Either way, I'll have blue hair. My hair is sticking to my freshly shaved sides like Velcro. Maybe I should have had a little bit more color. I kind of having trouble getting to all the spots with what was left in there. But I'll keep squishing it around and hopefully it'll cover everything. I think that's as good as I can get it. I think I got most of it. Alright, I'm going to let this sit for probably about 30 minutes, an hour. We'll see. And I'll rinse it out and get back to you. Alright, guys, it's washed and dried. The ends ended up a little bit darker than the roots. The roots didn't really take all the color, but oh well. Still a pretty nice color. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.